All right, so for daily math review today, you have a student runs 2 minutes for every 10 minutes she walks. Part A says complete the table, graph the pairs of values. So you have for running in minutes and walking in minutes. So you have to figure out the pattern that you are going from 2 to 4, which would be times 2, but you also have to see if you can get 2 to 7, which you can't multiply any whole number by 2 to get 7. So the pattern has to go across the table. So what did I do to 2 to get to 10? And you times it by 5. So you have to do that, follow that pattern all the way through this chart. All right, so 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 5 is 20. Well, what times 5 gives us 30? We get 6. And what times, 7 times 5 is 35. So now we have to sit here and graph the pairs of values. So you have running minutes that is on your horizontal line that runs from left to right. So that's your X. So for you, I'm going to put an X above my running because I know that's my X. And then the walking minutes is going up and down, which is my vertical line. So I know that is my Y. So I know that my running is my X, my walking is my Y. So we always start at our point of origin, which is 0, 0, and our X is 2. So I'm walking down the street to 2, and I have to fly to 10. All right, again, if I were to draw a line down from this dot, I have 2, and then a line over gives me 10, and that's what the chart has. So starting with 0, starting at a point of origin of 0, 0, walking to 4, walking, walking, walking down the street, and then we have to fly to 20. Fly high to 20. Then you have 6 and 30. So starting at our point of origin, which is 0, 0, walking to 6. And then you have to fly to 30. All right, and then we have 7 and 35. So starting at our point of origin of 0, 0, walking to 7, and then flying high to 35, which is in between 30 and 40, so not quite touching that 40 line. But part B now says, how long would the student walk if she runs for 7 minutes? So she's running for 7 minutes, so looking at this chart, we say she's walking for 35 minutes. And that's your DMR for today.